Hi people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Margarine's Cakes here and I'm super excited to have you guys here once again on my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. And on this channel, I teach cake recipes, cake baking, cake decorating, and everything that has to do with the business side of baking. So please do well to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And on this video, I'll be sharing with you all how to make this yummy caramel sauce that you can use as your fillings for your cakes. So please, if it's something you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. Do not skip anything so as not to miss very important details in this video. So you guys do enjoy the video. So I have my saucepan here, and the first thing I'm going to add here is my brown sugar. Make sure that you're using a brown sugar, please. For my brown sugar, I made it by myself. I didn't buy anything from the store. And this one here is my margarine. Please, when you're doing this process, make sure that you're using a very low heat. Then you allow the margarine and the brown sugar to melt properly. Please, when you're doing this process, avoid your sugar from getting burnt. Make sure that you're stirring consistently so that your sugar will not get burnt on your saucepan. If you have any question, please you can ask in the comment section. Thank you. And kindly note that this recipe is made with margarine. You can also use unsalted butter for this particular recipe, but because I want to make you guys understand that margarine perfectly works for this recipe, because as we all know, unsalted butter is really expensive. So after the margarine has melted completely, it's time to add in your condensed milk. Now when you add in your condensed milk, this is where you need to add in lots of pressure. You stir consistently, like really consistently, so that all the sugar will dissolve completely. When you are doing this recipe, ignore the sugar because everything will still melt later. Just continue stirring consistently. Make sure that you're doing this on a low heat. As you can see, the brown sugar is melting gradually. So this is all. This is because I am stirring this consistently. Please don't stop. Don't stop. If you know that you're busy, you cannot be busy at the same time doing caramel sauce. Number one, it will get burnt, and you do not achieve something like this. It curdles so fast. Do you understand? It curdles so fast. The only way you can avoid it curdling so fast is if you're doing what I'm doing now. Stirring consistently is very important. I can see some sugar particles here. That's because from the beginning process I did not stir it very well. So hence missing some sugar particles inside here. Please don't forget that you need to do this caramel sauce in a low on a low heat. You understand? Now there are two types of caramel. There is salted caramel and there's caramel sauce. I have the salted caramel recipe on my channel here. This one, for that particular one, you have to caramelize the sugar. But for this one, you don't have to 100% like that. Okay. I think that one you don't have to use condensed milk. I don't think you use condensed milk for salted caramel. But for this particular caramel sauce, you have to use condensed milk. So you see that the recipe is quite different. So now you can see how thick this caramel sauce is. Now if you want your caramel sauce, to be thick, well, it's up to you. But for me, I really don't like my caramel sauce to be too thick. I love it when it's, you know, light, because by the time it gets cold now, it will be too thick and you will not even like it. can see my sugar is still showing. Can you see? But the one I did the first time, it was really okay. So I can see some lumps that did not really melt very well. So this one's already caramelizing. Can you see? So there's nothing I can do about this one right now. But in the first process where you added your sugar, make sure that it's melted, like really melted, and don't allow it to caramelize so fast. I think in my own case here, I went to allow it to caramelize. I don't know if I'm making sense. Please, if you don't understand, you can ask me questions, okay? So I'm going to add in my evaporated milk right now. Adding my milk because I want it lighter. I'm going to give it a stir. When you add in your milk, you will not have to keep on stirring. Don't cook your caramel, please. So I'm loving this particular consistency because by the time it gets cold, it will now be okay. This was one I did sometime last week, and you can see how it is. It's not thick, so that's how I want my consistency of my own caramel to look like. But by the time it gets cold, it will not be fine, just like what I showed you guys in the video. So at this point, when you add in your milk, you can use what they call it. You can use full cream milk. You can also use evaporated milk. I like evaporated because of the taste. Yeah, it tastes so nice and it's really creamy. You can dilute it. That's your evaporated milk if you want. You can dilute it, okay? So I'm going to add in my flavor right now. I'm using milk flavor. I prefer to add milk flavor instead of vanilla flavor. Then you stir consistently. At this point, our caramel sauce is almost ready. If you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. It's very important to me. Share this video so that other people can benefit from this video. When you share, engage on my video, YouTube will now recommend it to other people that will be searching for how to make caramel sauce, and I'm sure you want other people to benefit from this video, right? So the best thing you can do right now for me is to share my video, share the video so that people can come and watch and join the family. Please also drop your comments, subscribe. There's a bell close to the subscribe button. Please turn it on so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. You guys, the sugar is actually disappearing gradually. I really can't see that sugar anymore. That's because of what consistently stirring. You understand? So at this point, our caramel sauce is ready. There's nothing much to do here again. Very simple, easy peasy. Don't need to do too much. Can you see the consistency? Looking so nice. Like I said, when it gets cold, it will be so lovely. So at this point, it's ready. Please guys, watch my art that is popping on my video. It's your way of supporting me here on my channel. I love the taste of this caramel. It's not sugary. It's okay, it's sweet. The recipe is perfect. Please check out the recipe in the description of this video. And I love the milk flavor as well. Alright guys, I'm going to take this off right now because it's already cooking. I don't want it to cook. So you can preserve your caramel inside the freezer or inside the fridge, but it will last longer inside the freezer. Do you like what you're seeing? Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching this video. And also, I forgot to let you guys know that you can use this caramel for your chocolate cake, for your red velvet cakes, for your desserts, for your for your filling. Yes, you can use this caramel sauce filling into your as your cake fillings, okay? But it's perfect for vanilla cakes, chocolate cakes, red velvet cakes, coconut cake. Caramel sauce is a very versatile filling, yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We come to the end of this particular video. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. If you got value from this video, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.